From zero to coding confidence, learn C the right way. We are going to start a new C language live online batch, and which is free live online batch starting from 6th July 4 p.m. IST. And this is live using Google Meet. Myself Raj from Raj Technologies. Why every developer starts with C? It's not just a language, it's the foundation of programming itself. C language has come into picture from 1972, still powering modern OS and software today. And this C language is number one foundation for learning C++, Java, Python and more. And this is the top most asked fundamental in tech interviews. What you will be learning in this course is we have divided into 8 core modules across these 3 weeks of live sessions. We start with C introduction, move to C basics, learn about operators in C, control statements using if and switch. We are going to learn about loops like while loop, do while loop, for loop. We go with arrays, functions. We learn how to create our own user-defined functions. And finally, we will be learning strings using C language. Coming to the batch details, the batch starts from 6th July, that is Monday onwards. The time is 4 p.m. IST. The duration of this course is 3 weeks, and the platform what we are going to use for live sessions is Google Meet, and it is beginner friendly and it is absolutely free. What you are going to get from this course is live interactive classes, learn directly from an experienced trainer every session. Real-time dot solving, you can ask your questions or queries live and get the reply instantly. Hands-on coding practice, it's not just only theory, we are going to develop a lot of C example programs, that too live programs. Who is going to teach you? Myself, my name is Raj. I am from Raj Technologies, a dedicated online training institute focused on building real job-ready developers through live project-based mentor-led courses. We also run the popular Full Stack Java with AI live program, hands-on mentor-guided teaching style, focused on strong programming fundamentals. How to join this course? It's very simple steps. I'll be providing the registration link in the description of this video. Open that link, fill the form. Once the form is submitted, you are going to get the confirmation by email about the Google Meet link and about batch details. And you can start joining live sessions from 6th July 4 p.m. and start coding. The seats are limited, and comment "I'm in" to confirm your seat. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.